Hey everyone, Vino here from AVS Digi, and today I'm sharing something game-changing for content creators struggling with engagement. You know the struggle? Posting amazing content but getting barely any likes, comments, or follows? You've probably wasted money on bots or fake engagement that doesn't convert to real growth. But what if I told you there's a platform where real people engage with your content and you get credits when they do? That's ViralBoost. And right now, it's completely free for just 50 lucky people. So what exactly is ViralBoost? It's a revolutionary credit-based social media platform that creates a win-win ecosystem for both creators and users. Here's how it works. As a creator, you upload your content from Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, or Twitter. Other users complete simple tasks like watching your videos, liking, commenting, or following, and you earn credits every single time they do. But here's what makes ViralBoost different from anything else out there. It's completely free right now with no monthly fees during this special Christmas and New Year launch period. Let me show you the incredible features that make ViralBoost a game changer for creators like you. You can upload your content from all major platforms. The system is seamless. Just drop your link, set your required actions, and you're ready to start earning. Track your performance in real time. See exactly how many views, likes, comments, and follows you're getting. Plus, monitor your credits as they come in. Control up to 2 active posts with pause-resume functionality. It's perfect for testing what content resonates with your audience. And if you want to post more, then you have Go Upgrade to PRO version. Use the credits you earn to boost your own posts across platforms. It's a self-sustaining growth cycle. Now, if you're someone looking to earn from social media instead of just spending, ViralBoost is perfect for you too. Complete simple tasks like watching videos, liking, commenting, or following to earn credits. Each task takes just 1 to 3 minutes and you get credited instantly after verification. You'll engage with amazing content, from stunning nature documentaries to cooking tutorials, travel vlogs, and viral dance challenges. The platform is fully responsive so you can earn credits from anywhere, anytime. Now here's the most important part of this video. This ViralBoost access is normally going to be a paid monthly service, but right now, you can get in completely free as part of our Christmas and New Year giveaway. But here's the catch. This offer is only for the first 50 users. Once those spots are gone, monthly subscription plans will apply starting January 2026. As an early adopter, you'll get 500 bonus credits just for signing up. Special Christmas bonus credits. New Year 2026 bonus rewards. Double credit earnings for your first month. Priority 24/7 support. Exclusive content access. Lifetime discount on future subscription plans. The Christmas countdown is on. This free access expires December 31st, 2025. After that, the doors close on this special offer forever. Look, if you're serious about growing your social media presence in 2025, you need to be in that first 50. This isn't just another tool, it's a complete ecosystem that will revolutionize how you approach social media growth. Click the link in the description right now to sign up for ViralBoost. Remember, only 50 spots are available for this free trial. Once they're gone forever. Join the thousands of users already experiencing organic growth with ViralBoost. Don't miss this opportunity to be part of ViralBoost's success story. If you found value in this video, hit that like button and subscribe to AVS Digi for more cutting-edge digital marketing tools and strategies. The link to ViralBoost is right in the description below. But don't wait because those 50 spots are filling up fast. Click now to secure your free access before this Christmas offer expires. Transform your social media presence today with ViralBoost, where every view, like, and follow counts. See you there.